Greetings from Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to show you our newest piece of inventory, see if we can identify it. It's a challenge for most folks. Greetings and welcome to Ellingson Motor Cars. Today I am going to show you one of our newest acquisitions, and many people can't even identify this car. They've hardly ever seen one. It is a 1960 Edsel Ranger two-door hardtop. It is a grand total of only 273 of these were built in the partial year of 1960 when Edsel's short run came to an end from 1958 to 1960. You're looking at probably the nicest Survivor in the world. This is original car, never been restored, original paint, original interior. It went to one of the Ford National events in 1998 and took best of show in its class as a Survivor. So it started out, it's got the 292 V8, it's got power steering, power brakes, the two-tone paint, of course, and the paint on the roof, of course, even matches the hubcaps that are the paint in the middle of the hubcap, which is correct for 1960. Yes, Edsel was on its way out at this stage of the game, and like I said, there are so few of these to even be found that if you want something that guaranteed, go to the local car show, there's not going to be another one there. I personally have never seen another one myself, and I'm an old car guy, so this is a very interesting car. As I mentioned, original interior, original seats, original door panels, all the chrome is original. It is probably one of the nicest Survivors we've ever had in our 27 years of being in business here. So if you're looking for something that not everybody else is looking for, nor does anybody else even know what it is, we have got one right here at Ellingson's. You can visit us on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com for all of our inventory. In our indoor showroom, we have close to 100 cars, collector cars, and trucks of every make, model, and whatever you can ask for on our sales floor. We are open Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. You can come and visit us in person. Come to Minnesota. We're always welcoming anyone to come to Minnesota anytime. You can also, if you can't come here, you can find it, like I said, on our website, or you can find it on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. So if you're looking for something that a lot of people have a hard time even identifying, you can have a 1960 Ranger two-door hardtop, one of 273, in your garage.